Hi, Bill and Josh here from CJ Pony Parts with an update on our Project 5030. Last time out we mounted our Rod & Custom cross member, and now we've mocked up the rest of our front suspension. Rod & Custom offers this lower control arm specifically for use with our RideTech HQ shockwaves. So using that lower, the shockwaves are mounted, and then using the custom upper bracket as well. It's a standard upper control arm, as well as their standard spindle designed to work with any Mustang 2 braking system, and their rack and pinion setup. We go with a manual rack because, again, we're going with electric steering with our build. And now Josh will tell you a little bit about the rear suspension.
Here we are in the mock-up stage of our rear 4-link suspension. We're using the RideTech Air Bar. Because we're using the 8/8 rear end, we're using these weld-on brackets, but most of the kits, if you have an 8 or a 9-inch with a factory release spring, they have a bolt-on bracket also. We're using the HQ series shockwave bags. At the core of this 4-link is this bracket up here that bolts into factory mounting locations. The lower bars bolt into your factory front leaf spring mounts and obviously to these rear brackets. You have the upper 4-link bars with Heim joint ends, and they're adjustable so you can set your pinion angle. Like I said, this is just a mock-up stage. We've cut all the bracketry off of this 8/8 rear end. Once we get everything measured, set up, welded on solid, we're actually going to cut the ends off this 8/8 and put 9-inch ends on. That's basically how our rear suspension gets set up. It's pretty easy, quick bolt-on, functions really well. With the shockwaves we have, we'll have full height adjustment and great handling.
We have our front suspension pretty much finished. Now that the rear is mocked up, we can work on finishing that up, then we can move on to our braking system. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on our Project 5030.